Hello friends, welcome to our channel all about electric vehicles. So today we are going to discuss about an important thing. So before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Let us go into the topic. What are the challenges? I'm not saying this as a disadvantage. These are the challenges we have to face to establish an electric vehicle industry. One by one, we are going to talk about. Number one, electric vehicles are not 100% pollution free. That is, we are getting electricity from burning the coal or thermal power plant or nuclear power plant. So indirectly it will cause pollution to our planet Earth. So 100% it is not pollution free. But if it is a solar or wind energy based electricity generation, from that electricity we are using the electric vehicle means that is 100% pollution free. That is, let us take an example. So the gasoline vehicle will emit 381 grams of carbon dioxide per mile. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles will emit 207 grams of carbon dioxide per mile. The electric vehicle, what we are thinking, will emit 156 grams of carbon dioxide per mile indirectly. So this is the one of the challenge we are facing. They are not 100% pollution free. There are huge investment in the charging infrastructure construction. This is the second challenge we are facing today. We have to overcome this challenge. So how much investment it needed, whether the government will be doing the infrastructure, charging infrastructure, otherwise the privately the company will be establishing the charging station. This is the biggest challenge. Why? Because means there is not much profit in this business, that is investment in charging station infrastructure. So that's why it is very difficult to establish a biggest charging station for our electric vehicle. This is the one of the important challenge we are facing. So next, third challenge is the limited choice of the electric vehicles. That is, if I am going to a ready-made shop for buying this t-shirt or anything cell phone, there will be much more choices to select according to my wish or according to my requirement. But in electric vehicle industry, the customer want to buy the electric car means that is high performance, highest mileage. The choices are very limited. So the public, how they will be choosing only 4 types or 10 types will be there means how to select. If it is 100 choices or there means it will be best. So this is the third challenge we are facing, limited choice in electric vehicles. So the next challenge is change takes time. That is, the public has to realize that electric vehicle is a pollution free or somewhat when compared to gasoline or diesel engines, it is somewhat pollution free. So the public has to realize themselves, or that government and private sector have motivated the public to buy the electric vehicle to bring the awareness. So the change definitely takes time. So until we have to wait. So next biggest challenge is the common challenge that every customer thinking, longest range of electric cars. Per single charge, what is the mileage of the electric car? This is the biggest thing. So this figure clearly shows the various electric car models that will be having what are the mileages per single charge. These are showing. So this is the biggest challenge because of this battery technology. So the longest mileage, longest range they are expecting by the public. So this is the biggest challenge we have to overcome. So nowadays the Tesla Model S is the high-end electric car with more than 400 kilometers of mileage per single charge. Next challenge is the expensive electric vehicle. That is, because of the battery technology is expensive, that is lithium-ion battery or lithium-ion phosphate or lithium-ion titanate or prismatic cells. So the battery technology is expensive nowadays. So we have to do lot of research and development to improve the battery technology to reduce the cost, that will be affordable for the customer, because this battery cost will be adding the expensiveness of the whole electric vehicle. So that's what, this is the biggest challenge that we have to note in the research and development. The battery technology is very expensive. So next challenge is the lack of state policy, that is policy given by the government for EV production, because many people thinking that it needs a huge investment for production of electric vehicles. So there is no stable policy given by the government yet to produce the electric vehicle. That is, they have to encourage the production of electric vehicle by giving the subsidy or concession for the electric vehicle manufacturers. So the government has to decide its stable policy for the electric vehicle manufacturers. Reliability and efficiency of the electric car when compared to the conventional car. Because of the automotive electronics that field, there is a critical thing we have to do R&D, that is, we have to improve the reliability of the automobile electronics that is involved in the battery operated electric vehicles. So we have to improve the efficiency, we have to improve the reliability to the customers. Battery replacement, that is, after some 3 or 4 or 5 years we have to replace the battery of the electric vehicle. Unless we are not doing in the other conventional petrol or diesel vehicles, we no need to change the engine as a whole. It will be come lifelong. We can change the spare parts involved in the engine. So in this electric vehicle, the biggest challenge is the battery replacement after some days. But when you are calculating the mileage and all, that is the pollution and all, it is very much needed at this time for our planet Earth. So next biggest challenge in the electric vehicle manufacture is the battery recycling. That is the lithium-ion battery or lead-acid battery or lithium-ion phosphate, any battery we are using. So that is the recycling process of this battery is we still need any technology to recycle these batteries. Otherwise it will also cause pollution to our earth. Soil pollution, it will cause soil pollution. Battery recycling is needed, some technology is needed that we have to consider in the research and development. So next important challenge is the silent running of the electric vehicle. That is, when compared to the conventional petrol or diesel engine, we can avoid the accident that we can hear the sound. It is not silent running. But the electric vehicle, the motor technology is silent running. So we have to produce some artificial sound related to the conventional cars for the electric cars. So silent running may cause sometimes the accidents for the road victims. So that is also one of the challenge we have to take into consideration. So next challenge is the inadequate or insufficient supply of electricity to many parts of the developing nations. So developed nations, we can expect the charging infrastructure. For the developing nations, so there are some insufficient or inadequate electricity supply in many parts of the developing nations. So that we have to overcome. We have to take it to the government to so that the investors can come. Otherwise the government also will be investing in the charging station infrastructure. If the electricity is insufficient in some parts, how to make the charging infrastructure. So this is also the important challenge we are having in many parts of the developing nations. So next important challenge is the longest charging time. So when compared to the petrol or a diesel refilling, it will be taking only some 5 to 10 minutes to refill your petrol or diesel car. But the electrical will take 4 to 6 hours to recharge your electric vehicle. Means how will the public will react. So only the Tesla company is working on the fastest charging of their electric vehicle. So this is the biggest challenge worldwide for the electric vehicle manufacturer. You have to keep your electric vehicle to charge in few minutes. This is our biggest challenge. So next challenge is the selection of the body material for the electric vehicle. That is for improving the mileage or range of the electric vehicle. They are made as a lightweight body material for the electric vehicle. But in case of the accident or collision of the electric vehicle, it will get more damage when compared to the conventional vehicles, automobiles. So electric vehicle, so we have to design in such a way that the electric vehicle body material should be in lightweight. Also they should be very strength enough to avoid the effect of the collision. That is, we can use some carbon fibers material for the electric vehicle. So this is the biggest challenge also the research and development have to consider. So next challenge will be the lack of skilled workers for the electric vehicle manufacture or a servicing of the electric vehicle manufacturer we can have. So we have to conduct more training programs for especially for the training of the electric vehicle manufacturer. So lack of skilled workers nowadays is a biggest challenge for the electric vehicle manufacturers. So next, last and final challenge, I think servicing, repair and breakdown maintenance of the electric vehicle. Whether service station or breakdown maintenance for the electric vehicles available in all areas, that is the biggest question we are having. So we have to set up a big and more service stations with skilled workers and the breakdown maintenance for the electric vehicle, so that the electric vehicle market will bloom. So these are the challenges we are facing today, and I'm not saying these are the disadvantages. So we can be very confident and positively we can face these challenges, and you can improve any technology for overcoming these challenges for our electric vehicle industries. So if any other challenges you are facing, that also you can comment in the comment section of this video, and we can meet in another interesting video. Thank you. All the best.